So over here, you can see that I have chat, and over here, there is spaces right here. If I were to go around and create a group chat by clicking on the plus button, I can easily do so right here. So I can go around, select all of these members out right here, just like this, and click on the check mark right here. And what happens is that a group is created. But the group itself is not shown in the spaces area, as you can see right here. So what you need to do is you need to convert it into spaces if you want to actually see the group on the spaces area right here. So to do that, you can go around over here on the top, click on the drop down menu, and here you can see that you can actually turn this chat into a space. So you can convert this group chat into space right here. You can do that for the existing group chats that you may have already as well. So I'm going to go around and click on turn this chat into space. And now what you need to do is I'm going to say converted space right here, just like this. And you can also choose an emoji just like this, press done. And then what happens is that now the group gets removed off from the chat area right here, and it is created over here, as you can see. And that is how you can turn group chat into space inside of Google Chats. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.